healthy white smile boosts self-esteem, confidence, and can even increase life expectancy. With the advances in cosmetic dentures, a new smile can be created easily and comfortably. Here with more are Dr. Rahul Kode from Dental by Design and certified dental technician Arian Deutsch from Deutsch Dental Arts, along with their patient Corinne Grove. Thank you everyone for joining us. Let me ask, how did the two of you first come together and meet?
Well, it was kind of interesting. Basically, we're part of a program called the Arizona Dental Association, which is our local state organization, and they have a program called Donated Dental Services, where we basically take a patient for free to completion, someone who's kind of had financial hardship or medical hardship. So we had an individual who was a war veteran, had post-traumatic war syndrome,
wow,
and he had some schizophrenia. And basically was 12 months without any teeth. He had no teeth in his mouth when we first met him. He was so self-conscious. And we met up with Arian, and we were just able to design him just a beautiful smile, and it was just great.
First of all, for people out there who aren't familiar, what are cosmetic dentures?
Well, cosmetic dentures are a little bit different than your traditional dentures. A lot of times, with traditional dentures, they just have one set of teeth or one set of smile. It's sort of kind of a template. With cosmetic dentures, what we provide is a natural smile. We look at the patient's outside features, outside their cheeks, their eyes, their lips, and then we make the teeth according to that.
And Arian, let me ask you, how do these dentures differ from everyday dentures?
Well, really, I think the difference starts with the approach that the dentist and the technician take. We really need to, it's critical that we have in mind that we're not just making a denture, but that we're actually replacing part of the human body.
And we're going to be looking at some photos. Tell me what we're looking at. This is a before and after, and wow, what a dramatic difference. Tell me about these.
Well, we work a lot and we rely a lot on photography. So present patient photography, even pictures of the patient in times past when they had their natural teeth. So really what we're doing is it's critical that we assess the face.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it's important with the facial landmarks that we determine the size and shape of the teeth, and also importantly the tooth position.
And there's a lot of new technology in this field. Tell me about that.
You know, now what we're incorporating with dentures is we're using a lot of implants, and implants have been great because it's basically bringing back the patient's full bite. The dentures, they tend to move and they're a mobile piece. With implants, everything is fixed.
And for people out there, we have some video that we want to show of how this works for a patient at home.
Yeah, the video that we're showing is actually of a new solution. It's called the Marius Bridge. Typically a fixed bridge, we'd have issues with lip support and replacing the tissues that were lost. But with the Marius Bridge, it locks in place, so it has the feel of a fixed appliance, but it's also patient removable.
How long, if somebody's interested in this, how long roughly does it take from start to finish?
In terms of doing implants, actually it's not that long. The process could be anywhere between 2 months to 6 months. But when we do a denture, for example, like we've done here for our patient Corinne Grove, we can establish everything within 3 to 4 weeks.
And Corinne, you're here. You did it just yesterday. And I mean, tell me your experience prior to this procedure compared to now.
Oh, these were so wonderful. I mean, they both took so much time with me, and it's been amazing. The fit is perfect. I do not have any sore spots, and just talking. I mean, I'm really doing well with them.
And I have to say, sitting right next to you, they look amazing.
Thank you.
They look beautiful. When you look in the mirror now, what's your reaction?
Oh, I'm so excited. The last ones I had were so dull, and now they're just so bright.
Do you feel like you have a little bit more of the old you back?
Oh, yes.
She can't stop smiling.
Yeah, they're just amazing. And the first thing I got to eat was chocolate.
You're like, anything to eat my chocolate again, I am there. Well, thank you so much. And it's so great to see someone actually gone through this. And what a life-changing this is for a lot of your patients. You must get that, again, like they say, I haven't felt this good in years.
We hear it every day. I mean, every time we change a person's smile, you can see they just feel like they have 10 years younger.
Yes.
They're a lot more confident, their self-esteem is great. It's a wonderful thing to do.
All right, well, thank you so much, everyone, for joining us. We really appreciate it. And, of course, for more information about Dental by Design, you can go to their website, dentalbydesignaz.com, or call the number 480-753-9063.